Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're taking a look at 3 of the standout features of the Google Pixel 6a smartphone. It has loads of photography tricks so you can upgrade your pictures. Google's Tensor chip provides you with a really snappy performance you can rely on, and the adaptive battery prioritises power in the apps you use most. So we're going to head to the lab now where we're going to put this smartphone to the test. So we're here in the lab, and this is the Google Pixel 6a smartphone and the various colours that it comes in. Now, there's nothing worse than looking back on your holiday photos and finding that your favourite ones have been bombarded with strangers in the background. Well, luckily, this Google Pixel 6a has a really clever tool called the Magic Eraser tool. And if you use this in Google Photos, you can actually get rid of any unwanted items or people from the background of your pictures. So I'm going to show you this now by taking a selfie. And if I ask a member of our crew to just step in last minute, 3, 2, 1. But don't worry, because I can actually get rid of him. So I can do this by heading to the Magic Eraser tool, and then I just draw around the subject that I want to get rid of, or sometimes it even automatically recognises them as well. And just like that, they disappear from the background, ensuring that you have the perfect photo or selfie. You can also use camouflage to blend in any of the background in your photo to really make sure that your subject or yourself really stands out in the picture. So the convenience doesn't stop there either, as it comes with Google's chipset built in, which is called Tensor. Now, this has been fine-tuned to allow you to browse all of your favourite Google apps and services that you love without a drop in performance. Combined with Titan M2 security, the Google Pixel 6a also provides you with that extra layer of security, so you know that your personal files and personal data are kept safe from any unwanted cyber attacks. You also won't need to worry about how much power you're using day to day with its clever adaptive battery. Now, the Google Pixel 6a learns which apps you use the most to prioritise the power on those ones instead of the ones that you don't. So you can use your phone all day long without worrying about the charge. Plus, if you do get to the end of the day and you can't charge it up, it's also got you covered with its extreme battery saver mode, which can provide up to 72 hours of power by asking you to choose the apps you'd like to use and turning the ones that you don't completely off. If you'd like any more info on the Google Pixel 6a smartphone, you can visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.